let's look at another example of a fraction in real life. So this is a fraction times a whole number, and this is something that you might see in real life every day. So it's not just numbers, we're talking about days here. Okay, so we want 2 1/4 days in hours. So 2 1/4 days. Now, this has to be in hours. So first of all, how many hours are in one day? 24 hours equals 1 day. Okay, so if I have 2 days, let's take my whole first. If I have 2 days, how many hours is that? 48 hours equals 2 days. Okay, so that part's done. That's super easy. I've expressed 2 whole days in hours. Now what about 1/4? Because I've got 2 whole, and then I've got a quarter still. So I need 1/4 of a day in hours. So how many hours are in a day? 24. So I need 1/4 of 24 hours. Now, how do I do that? I can do 1/4 times 24, which I'm going to multiply this by the top. So 1 times 24/4. So all I do is I bring that to the top of the fraction. I'm going to multiply those together and leave the bottom alone. So 1 times 24 is simply 24/4. And what is 24 divided by 4? 6. So 6 hours is 1/4 of a day. Now let's just double check to make sure that we are good to go. So if this is 1/4, then I need 4 of them to make a whole day, right? So let's count by 6s and see if we get to 24 in 4 steps. So 6, 12, 18, 24. Perfect. So 6 is in fact 1/4. So 1/4 of a day is 6 hours, and 2 days is 48 hours. So I did that part and that part. So 48 hours plus 6 hours equals what? 54 hours. So 2 1/4 days in hours is 54 hours.